Thanks guys for tuning in, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your tail light on your Elantra. We have Elantra in, and don't mind the toy though, it's kind of scary. But anyhow, you got an access compartment that you just flip open, and inside there should be 3 10mm, one on, one on, one on. You will want to remove those. Now there's no more bolts in them 3 10mm. There's no bolts behind here. You don't have to remove anything besides the access panel. Once you do that, this will slide straight forward. And as you can see, you got your normal little bulbs. And is that a chicken feather? That's a chicken feather. Yeah. And they just untwist and come out. And that's how you remove your, oops, forgot one, guys. So that's basically how you remove your tail light. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video on removing your tail light on your Elantra. If you did, drop a like. Appreciate it. If you do, leave me a comment. Be sure to check my channel out and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate the support if you do. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.